Hello, creative people. Do you know how to become a graphic designer in 2024? Do you know how? In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the easiest way to become a graphic designer in 2024. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, thanks so much for clicking this video. Let's get started. In 2024, graphic design has become so easy. You don't need to be super creative, or you don't need to go and learn how to be creative. You don't need that. Okay, it's just simple. So simple. All what you need is to get a software. So for me, I use Photoshop. Okay, so if you can use Photoshop, then you can be a graphic designer. Others use Canvas. There are so many graphic design softwares and websites you can use. Okay, so if you know how to use all these softwares, so if you know how to use Photoshop, you know how to use Canvas, any additional software that you know how to use, if you know how to use it, that is a plus. Okay, so being a graphic designer becomes so easy. You don't need to be super creative. Okay, so in order to design, okay, the first thing you have to do is to research or brainstorm. Okay, and in researching, you can use Pinterest to do your research. Okay, so I'm heading over to my Pinterest. So I have an account on Pinterest, so you can follow me on Pinterest. So we come to the search and we search makeup. So you have makeup here. So makeup flyers. So a couple of flyers will appear here. So depending on what you want to create, you are going to pick an idea. So after the search, so after researching a makeup flyer, so the pop-up that we are going to see, okay, so we have this flyer 1, we have flyer 2, we have 3. Okay, we can scroll down a bit. Okay, we have 4. So let's say these 3, 1, 2, 3, and the third one at the top. Okay, so we are going to pick ideas from this, ideas from that, and ideas from the third one as well. So we are going to combine all these 3 ideas into one. You see, it makes the work more easier. You see, other creators have created the works there. Okay, so it's up to you to go there, look at the works that they've done, and come and create similar ones. So it doesn't mean you have to create exactly the same thing. Okay, that is not creativity. You are not being creative. So you bring them together. So you pick an idea from here, an idea from there, and you combine them to do yours. So you are going to create a new concept altogether. So it wouldn't be like you are going to copy their work, dito. No, we don't do that. Someone can sue you for that. If you go and take someone's work and claim it's your work, whether you redesign it or what, it's someone's work. The person can sue you for that. So you just pick ideas from each of them. So you can pick like for this, okay, you can pick how the person places the image on the flyer, okay, but you wouldn't do this. Okay, you can put the services at the top and bring the images down. Okay, or you can put the image somewhere here. Okay, so these are some of the ways that you can use. Or you can even just go straight to Google and type in what you want to create. So you can go head over to just Google and still go and type in your makeup flyer there, makeup flyers, and you still search. You will still see so many designs other people have created. And you can pick ideas from it and create your own. So even if you don't have an idea of how to create it, since you've seen how it is being done, you can also come and create your own. So no matter any design that you are doing, it's just simple. You come to Pinterest or you head over straight to Google, then you type in the search bar what you want to create and you just create it. So you can use Photoshop. So I personally use Photoshop for my design. So you can use Photoshop, Canva, any design, any graphic design software, you can use it. So you see, designing in Photoshop is more easier. We have a lot of AI tools that you can use to create your work. So designing in 2024 is so easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe and leave me a comment. Comment it was helpful in the comment section and share to others. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Hope to see you next time.